What's up, guys? Today we're gonna rate piggy skins. All these. Sorry if they're not designs. I couldn't find nothing of them being designed. So let's get to the video. Before we get to the video, only 27 of you guys actually subscribe. So if you do watch my videos and have subscribed, do it now. So let's get to the video. So let's rate Piggy. So Piggy's actually a cool skin, but the design it's like the shirt is good, like a bit safe. So I think it's okay. Like I have an example. The reason why it's is okay is because um it is cool and it's actually pretty basic, but is a cool skins and his red shirt. Red is my favorite color. So let's go to little brother. So little brother, I'm gonna give this bad. I mean, yeah, bad. Because the little brother is bad because it's like it's so basic. Like his shirt is like blue and like a little blue in the other one design. So I'm giving it bad. And the monk one, the design of it is good. The reason why the design of it is so good is because it has like a flower on its head and purple shirt. So I'm giving that good. The father, I'm giving this amazing. It is one of my favorite skin because he has a hat on his head and a shirt, which is makes me like it's my favorite skin. Okay, let's go to the grandmother. The grandmother is like pink, but I think it's bad because I don't care if they had a hat. I know she has that hat, but it's pretty not. I don't even like it. And Pandy, bad because the other shirt I think it was green or something. I don't really like it. It's pretty. I don't really like it on her, but I think I'll put it okay because her green weapon like shows like the green weapon shows like her like bam, and the green one is like the same thing as the shirt. I don't know if it's green, but let's just get next one. Next one is Buddy. Bunny is a cool skin, one of my favorite skin. So I'm gonna put it good. Clowny. So, I don't. This is one of my favorite skins. When I got banned from Roblox, my jungle skin was actually Clowny. So let me just put in the first one, Dino Piggy. I'm gonna give this okay. I'll give it okay. Doggy. You guys might hate me for this, but I am actually gonna put it in bad. The reason why I put it in bad, just kidding. I'm putting it okay because I like his shirt, the design, but his axe is like not really the same, and Doggy's pretty boring, and yeah, so I'm gonna give that okay. And the teacher like the design is so creepy. I'm giving it terrible. The design is so creepy. So yeah. And Creek did this. I'm putting terrible because the loud is so noisy. Like it's so noisy like it hurts my ears. And yeah, I'm putting terrible. Scowly. I'm putting it bad because Skelly's a cool skin, but the problem is that when the players touch Skelly, it doesn't even work. Like it's annoying. Pony. Pony's a good design. I like his coat and his hat. So I'm gonna put it good. No offense, it's good. Yeah. Okay, Foxy. Foxy is one of my favorite skin with the so I'm gonna put it good. I think not. I'm gonna put it in second. I like Clowny with this. Zizzy. Zizzy's an awesome skin. I like her skills. So I'm gonna put it um over here. Amazing. And Ellie. Ellie is a good skin. And she's one of the fastest one. Like she's a bit fast. Like in chapter 9, she's very fast. Like yeah. So I'm gonna put it in good. Mimi. So yeah. Mimi is a cool skin. I like her all like the things she do like yeah, like when she has this I don't know, but I think I'm actually going to put it in good. Memory. She's a okay because I like her fly, but it's basic. Kitty. The redesigns I pretty like it's okay. Chibi. I like the redesign so there. And giraffe redesign. I actually like these redesign Katie, Chibi, and giraffe. No, I'm just gonna put it over like over here. And Barry, the redesign looks like a real hospital nurse. So I'm pretty amazing. Tigery, like he's a cool skin, so I'm gonna put in good. Piggy, I'm putting it here because it's so scary. Like when it jump scares me, I scream to my death. So I'm gonna put it here. Robbie, he's a raw. So I'm gonna put this in amazing. It's one of my favorite skins. Polly. Polly, I'm gonna put it okay. I'm putting it okay. It's cool and there's a police officer, just like Doggy. Soldier. I feel like the soldier. You guys don't hate me for this. The reason why I feel like the soldier's bad. I know it doesn't have no redesigns, but the reason why I pick bad is because the soldier. I don't want to look at the soldier is like it's so weird. Like there's a black thing in his eyes, and it's so creepy. So I'm getting back. Torture. Torture's one of my favorite skins, and it's actually my second. So I'm putting it amazing. Daisy, I'm putting it back. I know she's pretty bad. Nobody doesn't even use her, and it's pretty like it's not pretty cool. I don't even like it. So I'm gonna put it terrible. Okay, Percy. Percy is one of my favorite skins, so I'm gonna put it amazing. Billy is so awesome. I like his way, and I'm gonna put it good. And Badgie, I'm gonna put it in okay. I like it a bit, but not much. Mr. P, terrible. It's because I like the skin, but the problem is that like like the problem is that Mr. P is Mr. P is like pretty like glitchy. Like sometimes you can use him and yeah, sometimes you can use him but not all the time. So yeah, and that's gonna be today's video. Hope you liked it. If you did, smack that like and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn okay so you won't miss any video up. Thank you guys for support, and I'll see you guys next time.